Friends, today we will examine in detail one of the most important helpers in your kitchen, digital meat thermometers. Our first product is ImSaferell. Friends, this thermometer has a great feature, a probe head with a thickness of only 1.7 mm. What does this mean? When you pierce your flesh, it causes minimal damage. Measures with an accuracy of 1 degree in as little as 2 for seconds. Measures from 50 C to 300 C. Whether it's frozen meat or a hot grill, it doesn't matter. You can stabilize the temperature with the hold button and it switches off automatically if you don't use it for 10 minutes. It is IP67 waterproof certified and made of 300 for stainless steel. Positive user reviews. 1. It measures very accurately. It gives results in 2-3 seconds, which is great. 2. The ultra-thin probe doesn't shred the meat at all. Just what I wanted. 3. The large screen is easy to read even on the grill at night. The lighting is perfect. 4. The waterproof feature really works. Very easy to clean. 5. The battery life is long. The automatic shut-off feature is very useful. Negative user comments. 1. The magnet could be a little stronger. Sometimes it falls off. 2. The hold button sometimes gets stuck. It may need to be pressed several times. 3. The screen protector foil is difficult to remove. You need to be careful. 4. There is no user manual in the box. I found it on the internet. 5. Celsius Fahrenheit switching in the menu is a bit confusing. Let's come to ThermoPro TP19H. The most remarkable feature of this device is the 180-degree rotatable screen. Left-handed friends, this feature is for you. With its 4.3-inch stainless steel probe, it measures at 9 degrees in 3- for seconds. With a single battery, yes, you heard that right, you can use it for 3,000 hours. Thanks to the motion sensor, it switches on as soon as you pick it up and goes to sleep when you put it down. It also has a calibration feature. Positive user reviews. 1. The 180 swiveling screen is great. I can read from any angle. 2. The motion sensor is very practical. It switches on immediately when you pick it up. 3. 3,000 hours of battery life is really impressive. I haven't changed it for 6 months. 4. The calibration feature is very useful. It is always accurate. 5. The stainless steel probe is very durable. It has never bent. Negative user comments. 1. Magnetic holder may weaken over time. 2. The backlight sometimes switches itself off. 3. Waterproof gasket may loosen over time. 4. The probe is a little thick. Some thin meat may have problems. 5. Price is a bit high, not budget friendly. Let's look at the KULÜNER TP19. This device stands out with its 4.6-inch foldable probe. It works automatically when you open the probe and switches itself off when you close it. It measures in 2-3 seconds and works between 58F and 572F. Thanks to its IP67 waterproof feature, you can even wash it under running water. The ABS plastic body is extremely resistant to impacts. The large LCD display provides comfortable visibility even at night. Positive user comments. 1. Foldable design is very practical. Takes up little space in the drawer. 2. ABS plastic housing is very durable. I dropped it several times. No problem. 3. LCD screen looks very clear at night. 4. Auto on or off feature saves battery. 5. IP67 waterproof feature really works. Negative user comments. 1. The folding mechanism may loosen over time. 2. The battery compartment cover is a bit delicate. You need to open it carefully. 3. Some samples may have calibration problems. 4. The screen protector is prone to scratches. 5. The keys sometimes need to be pressed hard. As for TEMOLA, this product is a pro. Its 4.6-inch stainless steel probe measures 1C in 2-3 seconds. This is the best feature, a probe with an extra heat-resistant cable, ideal for use in the oven. With the Alarm SET feature, you can set the target temperature. An alarm sounds when it reaches this temperature. More than 10,000 hours of battery life puts it ahead of the competition. What comes out of the box is also very impressive: wired oven probe, carrying case, meat temperature guide, and wall hanging bracket. Positive user reviews: 1. The extra wired probe works great in the oven. 2. 1000 hours of battery life is really impressive. 3. The alarm feature is very useful. The meat never burns. 4. Accessories are very high quality and useful. 5. The temperature guide is very useful. Negative user comments: 1. The wide probe sometimes gets soft in the heat. 2. Alarm volume is a little low, can be hard to hear. 3. Carrying case is a bit large, not compact. 4. Would be nice if the screen brightness was adjustable. 5. The wall mounting bracket is plastic. It could be made of metal. Our last product is Lavatools Javelin Pro Duo. This product is America's Test Kitchen winner. It measures with laboratory precision with its special Japanese sensor. Its 2-inch screen can rotate 180 and has motion sensor illumination. IP65 water resistance makes it suitable even for professional kitchens. With 4,000 hours of battery life, you can use it for a long time. Positive user reviews: 1. The Japanese sensor is incredibly accurate. 2. The 4,000-hour battery life is very impressive. 3. Quality at professional kitchen standard. 4. The motion sensor display is very useful. 5. The 2-inch screen looks clear from every angle. Negative user comments: 1. Premium features significantly increase the price. 2. Spare parts can be hard to find. 3. Water resistance is limited to IP65, lower than others. 4. Software updates can be difficult when needed. 5. The warranty process can take some time. As you can see, each product has its own strengths: Lavatools and TEMOLA for professional use, ThermoPro and KULÜNER for home use. ImSaferell stands out in terms of price performance. If you like it, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.